You know, sin. My eyes for you for a very long time. And something tells me that this time is right.
Go easy, Fatty. You know you're not my type. Everybody's in them own lane. You know them with it?
Don't you want a toy girl that would do anything for you? Anything?
Hello! Break this up! Break this up! Social distance, 6 feet away.
Excuse me.
Do you think that this is a dating site? Huh?
Excuse me, sir. I'm late for class.
It is time to go home! Now leave this compound before you get belly here to take home to your mother. Go home!
Yes, sir. I'm late for home.
Hello, Mr. John Bull, sir. AKA John Bull. Now your name keeps coming up on my list of many wrong things that get done in this institution. But even the bad apple can eventually sprout good seed. Look, I have a personal interest in your academic development. From my investigation, last term you did not attend much classes. Now you will meet me in my office for a time card and you will give it to each of your teacher and ensure that they signed it before you leave the class, or else expulsion won't be your only consequence. You will find yourself residing in a government institution. You hear me, sir?
Yes.
Go to the office.
Yes.
I said move. What is wrong with these younger generation?
I say Fatty, I tried to pan John, but I want to pray.
You say Fatty want desperate to come in and camp.
Alright.
Who tell us if you stay in our lane? She fat enough, but she not hot enough. She not hot enough.
I want a Fatty. Well, a real hot boy. So him at him can roast anything. I see him turn a good girl bad. Let me see if him can roast Fatty now. I don't think this. Me up here, man. I want to see that. Yeah, girl. Any day, anytime.
Well, come to think of it, it's a good challenge that. Alright. When you play son of it, you're going to call up bull right now, and you're going to arrange it.
Boy, this is a good festive.
You're going to call him up right now.
Call him right now. Ready for the one, yeah.
Yeah. But what you going to take for the whole lot of the money?
Yeah, so you feel.
Bull are going to trick it, not
Hold on.
and then drop it. What you mean?
Wait, hold on.
What you mean? Joanna, remember your plan, you know? You have to go roll with the floor if you want to trick Fatty.
Alright. Slam bam. Thank you, madam. Later, yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, so I'll probably
Good girl, Kimmy.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, your hair nice. You're so beautiful. Oh, nice and round. You know what I'm kind of delicious, right? You girl, so I want you to come and hang out with us. Alright? No. Hey.
Watch out. Come on, man.
You really are going there?
See,
Yeah, when you're
I'm
going
going
to
to bad mind. We don't want people to subscribe.
So I'm not going to go.
people.
Wait up! Come here, kill me, girl. Girls, Tikiana
the rhythm, she a wind up so. Girl a mash up the place, make the vibes them go. Inna the dance, she a queen. That everybody know. Hands up in the air, let the good times flow. Wanna bring the fire, then hot like sun. The way you move your waist, you make the party fun. Everybody move your money from my body.
Mom, I'm going shopping with my friends.
Make sure you use protection.
Mom, I'm just 16.
I was 16 when I had you. Alright. Just have fun and be careful. Alright?
Alright.
Alright, little baby.
We are run non-stop. Joanna on the top, make the world place drop. From night until morning, we never stop. Joanna, can you make your heart pop? Drop it low, make the crowd them cheer. Joanna running things, she the boss round here. Girl, you give me fever, make me sweat, oh dear. Joanna, girl, me love Joanna in the rhythm, she a wind up so. Girl, I mash up the place, let the vibes them go. Inna the dance, she a queen that everybody know. Hands up in the air, let the good times flow. Joanna, bring the fire, girl, you hot like sun. The way you move your waist, I make the party fun.
Yeah, waterfall.
Oh, come on. You look good though. Yeah, go to 360. Right, yeah. Floor. Let's say outside, you know. Here we got this. Go on in this.
Girl, you hotter than a sauna. Run the dance floor, everybody a follow.
Hi guys! I'm so excited to be here. Hanging out with you guys.
I feel like to be good.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm so happy because it's my first time.
Come this side. Sorry.
Yo, sorry. You good? So Timmy, you come out after. You know it's actually a little funny. You know somebody.
Don't mind me.
Okay, here we are. And then the dog will talk. We'll come out after. You know, not many people. Even though they're like, you can shape it out. This is one of those things. Thirsty.
Yeah.
Thirsty.
Oh, but give me turn. It's almost the birds. Do the honors. Bless us all.
Calm down. It's a celebration. Celebrate. Shit, moves. Shit. Hey.
What is that?
Just take some pictures and talk to you.
Right. You're right?
You're not trying to spoil the vibes.
I'm not spoiling any vibes, John Bull.
This is just your idea. So far.
No, you're being excessive. You just don't know.
I'm chill.
Whatever.
I'm not chill. Give me not chill. No, man. You're probably just thirsty. You know when you're not drinking, I get like.
Give someone. Someone.
Give me a sure you're alright.
Oh man, she's alright, she's good. You need just kind of crowded. Come, let's get some fresh air. Hey, shh. Yeah.
you stay, man. So exciting.
You forgot one side.
Very mature for your age, you know.
Of course, mature. I'm gonna be more mature.
How are you?
Tomorrow is my birthday.
Your birthday. You don't deserve a little birthday party.
Whatever I want for.
I guess what, your time. Your time for shine. Oh, Charlie. Come. Here we go. I got a party for you tomorrow. You see what me I say? Do me a favor then. So tell Jamie, you know what me I say? Tell Dougie.
Everybody
Spread the word.
Just celebrate, you know, that I'm birthday tomorrow.
Okay. So, get set up at the what the location in there again? Oh, yes. The Springs. Yes, get set up there, and then we can have the DJ and everything. So you're constantly a DJ, though. Right. And then yes, we can have the party at the Springs, right? Yeah, and we can have our customer as DJ. We get the cakes. We get the people and we hype up the party. I want the food and the liquor, and the limousine. We can get the limousine. Yes, anyway, let's say the limousine.
man. Your birthday.
Yes, so we'll just get the party started at like probably around 9ish. Yeah. Like that. But
Where you say? No man, you know me I say. When if I share our party and me a joy, think off of me epic.
Yeah.
Don't you agree?
Yeah, we agree, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, I totally agree.
You know me I try to say to you, you me I say, so I want to set up kind of something calm. Off of the epic, you see what me I try to say to you. Off of say I kind of awareness or celebration. We must celebrate. I really want this to special, you know me I try to say to you. Birthday is a once in a lifetime kind of thing. Once. Just once. You know me I try to say.
Show a knife the rhythm, she a wine up so. Girl a mash up the place, let the vibes them go. Inna the dance, she a queen that everybody know. Hands up in the air, let the good times flow. You wanna bring the fire, girl you want that sun. The way you move your waist, make the party fun.
You look good though. Wait, give it a 360. Right, yeah. Flow. Let's say outside, you know. Here we are, cheers. Go on in this.
Tell you hotter than a sauna. Run the dance floor, everybody a follow.
Hi guys! I'm so excited to be here. Hanging out with you guys.
Happy to be here.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm so happy because it's my first time.
Come this side. Sorry.
You good? So Timmy, you come out after. You know it's actually a little funny. You know somebody.
Don't mind me.
Okay, here we are. And then the dog will talk. We'll come out after. You know, not many people. You know that you can shape it out. This is one of those things. Thirsty.
Yeah.
Thirsty.
Oh, but give me turn. Oh, yes, the bird. Do the honors. Bless us all.
Calm down. It's a celebration. Celebrate. Shit, moves. Shit. Hey.
What is that?
I just take some pictures and talk to you.
Right. You're
not trying to spoil the band.
I'm not spoiling any vibes, John Bull.
This is your idea. So far.
No, you're being excessive. You just don't know.
I am chill.
Whatever.
I'm not chill. I'm not chill. Give me not chill. No, man. You're probably just thirsty. You know when you're not drinking, I get like.
Drink someone. Someone.
Give me a sure you're alright.
Oh man, she's alright, she's good. You need just kind of crowded. Come, let's get some fresh air. Hey, shh. Yeah. Never know, so you're still, man. It's so exciting.
You forgot for one side.
Very mature for your age, you know.
Of course, mature. I'm not gonna be more mature.
How are you?
Tomorrow is my birthday.
Your birthday. You don't deserve a little birthday party.
Whatever I want for.
I guess so, your time. Your time for shine. Oh, Charlie. Come. Here we go. I have a whole party for you tomorrow. You see what me I say? Do me a favor then. So tell Jamie, you know what me I say? Tell Dougie.
Everybody
Spread the word.
spread the word, man.
It's a celebration, you know, that we're here tomorrow.
Party? Okay. Alright. So, get set up at the... What the location is there again? Oh, yes. The Springs. Yes, get set up there, and then we can have the DJ and everything. So you're considered a DJ, though? Right. And then... Yes, we can have the party at the Springs, right? Yeah, and we can have our customer DJ. We get the cakes. We get the people and we hype up the party. I want the food and the liquor, and the limousine. We can get the limousine. Yes, anyway, let's say the limousine. Man, your birthday. Yeah, so we'll just get the party started at like probably around 9ish. Yeah. Like that. But
Where are you? No man, you know me I say. When if I share our party and me a joy, think off me happy.
Epic. Yeah.
Don't you agree?
Yeah, we agree, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, I totally agree.
You know me I try to say to you, you me I say, so I want to set up kind of something calm. After the epic, you know me I try to say to you. After see a kind of winners and celebration. We must celebrate. Birthday is a once in a lifetime kind of thing. Once. You know me I try to say.
The last
like him new to having we already planned something, you know. And yeah. Going like him a mess up, you know.
Remember we said we're not going to our party.
After we're not our party. Jabrighty. And she ain't not willing. No, but only video our party. Okay, make sure so we're going to take the rest of the gang. So we're not our party.
Yeah, we are shaking.
Call them up, you know.
Yeah, man. Call up the rest of them.
You know your side for Khalid.
Yeah.
I should say call him, you know.
Yeah, girl. No.
Happy birthday to Kimmy. Where are all our friends?
Them so cool.
Okay, alright. To you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Munchkin. Happy birthday to you. Honey, don't worry, man. Sure. Come and we enjoy ourselves.
Why aren't they here yet?
Baby, don't worry, man. You see, sometimes things just don't work out how we plan it. Alright? Don't worry.
I tried so hard. I really tried. I tried so much to please them. Be sexy, tough, prettier. But it was not enough to please them.
Honey, listen to me. Don't you ever change for anyone, alright? Things just don't work out sometimes. I want it to, but that don't mean you're less of a person. You hear? Because you're very much loved. I love you.
I just want him to like me.
Honey, let them stay. Let them a miss out. Yeah? Because them have a prize and them never know. You are very much funny, you're pretty, and you're a very kind person. They are the one missing out.
But mommy, I tried.
It's okay, Kimmy. They don't deserve to be your friend. Out your candles, darling. Out
Boss, nah, no stomach, you know.
Shut enough for the boat away. Every time you move, I earthquake, you know. Every time you move. What do you do with that? Catch a style. Walk up. Deal with it. Yeah. Speaking of the devil and she shall appear. Let's see, man. Let me get you, man.
John, why?
That's it. John, boy. Wagon.
What's so Oh, it's so funny.
You should have seen her.
hungry.
Yeah, well, I'm going to call her. Phone. Man them. Time them. Alright, my father.
How was it there, honey? Jimmy? 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 What happened?
Mommy, I need to talk to you about something.
I'm not sure. What is it?
It's about John. He broke up with me today. He left me and shamed me.
Kimmy, I want you about that boy now. I want you about him. Hey, watch me and John. Watch me. Kimmy, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, Kimmy. I know how much I did like him. That brute. Hey. Nobody never text me for my daughter. You hear me tell you? Nobody.
I think everything did not go out good. But he just left me so.
Honey, these things happen. You hear me tell you? These things happen. And I know sometimes it can be really, really hard. But don't worry yourself. You hear me tell you?
I don't understand why this happened to me. Mommy, what would do wrong?
Honey, it's not about what you do wrong. Sometimes relationships just don't work out. But his decision don't define your own. You hear me?
But they hurt me, Mommy. But I don't know how I'm gonna get through this.
Honey, you will get through this. You hear me? You're not in this alone. Alright? We will get through this together. And it is alright to take as much time to heal. You understand, honey? We got this, alright? Don't worry. And you will never have to find out. We are in this together. Alright?
I can't believe it. Just you not talk to me because just sing.
No kind of party invite the last one meal. Why did I come to a party?
You little girl. I mean, you big, humongous, nasty corruption. Boss.
Show me with your body.
You noticed from the other day, since you think you take my man,
Please.
you get I. You think you are the thing.
So when is some other money stuff yourself?
I don't know, say enough. Look at it, enough. You me at now. But one, you think you have somebody?
Joanna, please. What would you try to crash you of our person? Everybody know who it is. And you run this. We can't only dream of being with.
What?
I mean, like you. Everybody knows that we name Tickalixos. And we don't love continue running with
You
you.
can't roll with we. First of all, we don't wear them type of shoes there.
Joanna, remember we joined the Tickian again. And the still one full 100. It's up to me.
How dare you call yourself Tickalicious? What you crazy? You sick drunk customer can square down everything.
See, we know where he is.
And look at you! But what you want? Take my man behind my back. Slutilicious. And have the nerve for one time, my girl. Easy. Madness. Trying to have the whole school thinking that you are associated with us real people. Are you a member of the Tikiana gang?
Joanna, please. You just have to find time to have one of the space of the world like everybody else.
You see yourself? Murder. You need a whole world for yourself. You don't see no space in there to fit your woman. Awesome. Boy, this me proud. Serve you right. Stay where you belong. Dirt better serve on the ground where it come from. Like I say, you know the dirt where you come from. And the dirt you belong.
I'm not going like nobody and better than people. I'm not going from somebody leave the little girl alone. All the while I'm not take care of people. How about that? Leave people alone.
Seem like I sleep. Come on, let me help you. Everything will be alright. I'm sorry. I'm not laughing at you. I didn't mean for you to feel bad. It's just that
You don't need to ever apologize to me, Gina. You're the nicest person I ever met. And I need to say real.
no, we're not man like anybody else.
You're geeky and you don't care. You never try to impress nobody.
I'm not good at pretending, as you may heard in Principal Rike's acting class. How are you, Chief? It's alright. You're in a rush to reach somewhere you don't belong. Eventually, you'll figure out that it is the journey that matters, not the destination.
Sorry, Gina. We didn't believe that we did the right thing. But I'm going to turn my back on Marie for a minute.
Kimmy, don't. It's okay. You don't need to apologize.
I'm sorry, Gina. I hope my real friend them don't hate me after home we got along with the sin.
One bad, you can find deep in your heart. Goodbye!
You sure saying I hate me?
Maybe a little bit. Maybe. We're just joking, girl. Yo, we all love you.
Love you, Gina. I love all of you.